Have ye sharpened your swords for the war that's begun and the conflict that's breaking? As brave as the sire, so fearless the son, for the banquet of death and the victory won. While the nation's foundations are shaking, while the nation's foundations are shaking, have ye sharpened your swords for the red carnival? Have ye thought of the battlefield gory, where the slain lie in heaps and death tolls the knell of the soul that's departing to heaven or to hell, while the slaughter rides rampant in glory, while the slaughter rides rampant in glory? Have ye sharpened your swords for your liberty's fight, while the nation is shouting to battle? Oh, dread ye the call and the first morning light, as it breaks from above through the clouds of the night, or the sound of the dread musket rattle, or the sound of the dread musket rattle? Have ye sharpened your swords for the service of God? Have ye sworn in your deep desolation? The blood of the traitors shall water the sod, over which to the battle our forefathers trod, when they gave to the world a new nation, when they gave to the world a new nation.